Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I thought we could have a look at the Tapex kit that I use for plumbing, for fitting taps. It's a really good piece of kit. It helps me out quite a lot in certain areas that are very tight to get under sinks and things like that. Great piece of kit. Let's quickly just spin you around, have a look at the back. Some information on the back there guys. So just to give you some quick measurements, just in case you're thinking of buying this kit and you wondered if it would go in a certain area, in the van perhaps, or in a toolbox. So we're looking at about 430 millimeters long, about 250 millimeters wide, and roughly about 85 millimeters in height. So that's the measurements. It weighs probably about 3 kilos, something like that. Nice blow molded case there. Keep everything nice and neat and looked after. And a couple of plastic clips on the front. So within the lid it shows you what should be in the kit. So if you've got anything missing, you can actually go onto the Nerrad Tools website and order the missing pieces. For example, if you bought a second-hand kit and there's some missing, you can head over there and buy the missing pieces. This kit comes with a lifetime warranty, so if any of your pieces break while you're using them, you can contact Nerrad and send the old piece off to them, and they'll send you a brand new one. So this little piece of foam at the top I've just cut out using a bit of the floor matting that you can buy. It's like a foam mat, so that just holds everything in place from the lid shut, and whilst you're carrying it from A to B, the parts don't fall out. They do usually come with a piece of foam, but the previous owner must have lost it, so I've just made this, and this is the perfect thickness, to be honest. This holds everything in place, so it's just a piece of cheap floor matting. So a little bit of information about this kit. The Nerrad Tool Tapex kit is a professional 18-piece plumber's tap wrench set, engineered explicitly to tackle the headache of changing basin, bath and kitchen taps in tightly enclosed spaces. It's made from robust chrome vanadium steel. Its standout features are the patented sockets within a socket, which I believe they're talking about them, because you've got different stepped sockets within a socket. So they tackle both the 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch nuts on tap tails, plus your larger back nuts on your taps. So that's why they're two different step sizes. So these allow you to loop the tools over rigid copper pipes and clamp onto back nuts or supply lines without needing to clear space behind the pedestal or bath panel. So you never need to take the pipes off, like when you're trying to fit a tap conventionally. You'll perhaps use a box spanner, and if you use a box spanner you have to remove the pipes to tighten the nuts up. So this allows you to get around that issue. So we've got some different little bits. You've got like a bar handle, so that just slides along like that and allows you to turn with your hand manually, and that locks onto any of these parts. You've got extension piece there, little bar. This little angled bit, that's a 1/4 inch angled drive, I think they call it, 1/4 inch. Just allows you to change the angle that you're getting into. and this one is a 1/2 inch one. So these are what normally go missing in kits, second-hand kits. But luckily it's been well looked after and all the pieces are there. You've got a slight stepped piece there. You see how it's slightly off centre. That's another 1/2 inch piece. You've got a hollowed out handle, sorry. So that allows you to get it over the pipe without taking the pipe off. The pipe runs directly through the middle. Just grab a piece of pipe for you. So this is just a piece of push fit pipe. So you imagine this white push fit pipe within place in situ, and it's connected to the tap, and perhaps you just need to nip the nut up just to stop it weeping or leaking. So the handle wraps around the pipe, and you can use one of these sockets that we just discussed to fit on the other end. You'll be able to tighten the nut up. So we'll just pop that back in its place. Of course, we've got the 1/2 inch ratchet. This is extendable by pushing that collar down. And I'll just try and do this one-handed, guys. It does lock into place just by that spring-loaded mechanism there. Same with this part. This is an extendable bar. I'll just try and do this one-handed for you guys by pressing that collar down there. Sometimes it can be quite stiff to push down. There we go. If you buy one second hand, you probably just need to give it a good clean up and spray a bit of oil on it. But again, this slides out for different lengths. Let me just put the camera down, guys, and I'll show you much better. So yeah, if you pull that collar down there, it allows the bar to come out different lengths. It just locks into place once you find your desired position. So you've got quite a good length on that bar, which then allows you to attach the ratchet on the bottom, like so. So I've just assembled it a bit better by using my other hand there. As you can see, it's quite a long extension if you want to get right underneath the back of a sink, especially a Belfast sink. They're really difficult to get to. And you've got your socket on the end there with the ratchet at the bottom. And of course, if you need to put a slight angle on that, then within that length you could fit your little angle socket there. So just take it off being directly straight. You could fit that, and you could also fit these on the end if you needed to get to bath taps. Difficult as it is to get, you know, behind such a small area to tighten a bath tap up, so you use them as well. And of course the hollowed out handle there connects to any of these sockets or any of the pieces within the case using the different extender bars or the angle pieces. They all interlock into each other. So with this one you've got a shorter handled socket there with a hollow out middle, so you can get right around the pipe and then straight up onto the nut and just tighten the nut up like so. But yeah, great piece of kit, well worth having in the van. This is paid for itself already with the few jobs that I have done. So yeah, I mean they are quite expensive to buy brand new, but I'd also always look for a second hand one. Get a decent one like this one. It's hardly being used. But great piece of kit, and really well made, really well thought out. So well done, Tapex, from Nerrad Tools. So yeah, if you liked this quick look around the Tapex kit, please would you consider subscribing, hitting the thumbs up, just follow along, help me along a bit, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.